If you're looking for a quick and easy weeknight meal, try this shrimp curry recipe. It's easy, rich, aromatic, and irresistibly delicious. We'll start by adding butter to a skillet in a medium heat and heating the butter to melt but not too hot. Once the butter melts, we'll add potted shrimps and saute for 1 to 2 minutes per side until pink and lightly golden. You don't want to overcook the shrimps as they'll become tart and dry. You want them juicy. And they should look just like this, golden brown and appetizer. We'll then remove the shrimps and set them aside. We'll now repeat the process with the next batch of mushroom. Once that's done, you can add more butter to your skillet if your skillet is dry, and then add your chopped onions. Saute for a few minutes, and then add in your minced garlic and saute for another 30 seconds. After that, you'll add in your crushed onions, curry powder, salt, paprika, garam masala, chili flakes. Cook for 5 minutes until it thickens to a paste, and then add coconut milk and bring to a gentle simmer. Season with more salt if needed, and then add the shrimp up to the skillet, followed by a squeeze of lemon juice over the curry. And there we go, our delicious shrimp curry is done. You can serve this dish with naan, chapati, roti, rice, or your favorite side dish. I served mine with basmati rice and it was a hit. I hope you enjoy it as much as we did. This dish is great for busy weeknights or even when hosting friends and family on special occasions. You can never go wrong with it. For more delicious recipes like this, please visit my blog at deveinedishes.com. Also, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Let us know if you tried this recipe and how it turned out for you. Until next time, bye!